Hi, Marnie Carter back with you. So I want to talk a little bit this series or this blog about the paperless office and what that means, because some find that that is just way out of bounds as to what we can expect as legal professionals. We are married to paper. We've been married to paper for quite some time. It's been a really good acrimonious relationship where we've had file after file, cabinet after cabinet, cron file, background file, correspondence file, pleadings file. We like to file things in 4 or 5 different places. And let's not forget the binders. Boy, do we love our binders. So we have created for years walls of binders for cases in which we have segregated documents both by witness, by issue, by Bates number, chronologically by Bates number, which has resulted in huge volumes and mass of paper. Well, those days are falling by the wayside, my friends. We are now moving to the filing system for electronic documents utilizing software. Additionally, we are looking at the fact that there is ethical considerations when continuing to operate in a paper environment. We're seeing more and more case law which is requiring that legal professionals look at electronic evidence, electronic use of documents. In fact, even our courts now require that we file documents electronically. The federal courts require that we utilize PDFs, portable document format, for filing with the federal courts. And we're seeing more and more areas of the California state cases which require filing of documents electronically. We are very close to implementing within our courts a completely paperless operating environment. We're seeing this more and more, the ease of being able to go to a court website and download a copy of your pleading and save it without ever having to print it, go to the courthouse, wait to access a file. We're also seeing this in our legal environments due to the fact that gone are the days where you had to search through every attorney's office, the library, the conference room, somebody's trunk, someone's briefcase, trying to find that one document that came in the day before yesterday. Now having the ability to utilize software to manage our cases electronically through case management software and document management software really achieves the end result, which is having a better understanding of how our clients are operating, understanding the systems that they are working with, and being able to service them more frequently. Most of you would prefer not to look through rooms and rooms of paper to find a document. It's much easier to seamlessly, within a matter of less than a minute normally, to put your hands on a document to service that client or that legal professional. So some of the things that we're going to talk about in our series is looking forward to what kinds of case management software and document management software are out there to utilize for your advantage.